Hey, what's up, fam? Hey, today I'm gonna show you how to make some absolutely delicious catfish. You already seen the thumbnail. Today we making some delicious, crispy, when I say seasoned right catfish, seasoned right catfish. And this is gonna be so simple, so easy. It'll get you in the game, fam, and then it's gonna have you in the game wanting more. Let's go down to my workstation so we can make some absolutely delicious catfish, fried catfish nuggets. Let's get it. Yeah, I've been craving catfish for quite some time. So we're gonna be making some Cajun fried catfish today. And you already know what I gotta do. Hey, I gotta put that baptizing Cajun in this recipe. Hey, this bottle's almost done. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, season this catfish with this baptizing Cajun. What I got left in this bottle. And then we're gonna get everything worked around, mixed in, like so. And you already know, man, when you cooking fish, chicken, whatever it is, hey, you gotta season that meat first. And I'm gonna tell you, if you get a bottle of that seasoning, if you ain't sneezing, you ain't seasoning. And this is whole milk. And what this milk is gonna do, hey, it's gonna tenderize this fish, and the acid in the milk will tenderize, and then it also take that fishy taste out of this fish, right? Now I got one last thing I want to put in here. I'm gonna throw a little bit of sriracha, and this is gonna be about a couple teaspoons worth. And then we're gonna get everything worked around, and we're gonna let this marinate in the fridge for about 30 minutes or so. Come back, fire this thing up, put it in some hot oil. Hey, we'll be in the game. Got our catfish out. It's been 30 minutes. So, hey, we got to get this thing breaded up so we can get it ready for that oil. Now, I got me some cornmeal. That's about 3/4 of a cup of cornmeal. And then I got a 1/2 cup of flour. Now we got to season this thing up, right? So, you want to have that catfish tasting right. So, we're going to go in with some lemon pepper seasoning. I'm gonna go in with about 2 teaspoons of that. 2 tablespoons would be overly salty, and we don't want that. We're gonna go in with some garlic powder, about 1 teaspoon of that. Then we're gonna hit it with some onion powder, about 1 teaspoon of that also. And then we're gonna come back and hit it with that baptizing Cajun seasoning. Now I want to go with about 1/2 tablespoon of that. Now I'm gonna go old school. I'm gonna bring out that fork, and we're gonna get this mixed together. And I'm gonna tell you, man, that fork is probably one of the best inexpensive whisks that you can use. Hey, it stood the test of time, and you probably done seen your grandma, granny, pops use a fork. And there it is. Hey, mixed in, ready to go. Hey, you can see that seasoning in there. Now we just got to get this thing, hey, battered up. Now I got my catfish that's been marinating. So we'll just take it. Hey, come over here. Take my little dry hand here. And then get this pressed in. Hey, like so. Hey, shake it off. And then do it again. And I'm over here clanking, so I'm gonna move my bowl over so it don't get on y'all's nerves. So there we go. Hey, we got this thing battered up. We're gonna put it on the plate back there. We're gonna let our oil get up to temp. Now I want to hit about 360. Then when I drop these things in there, hey, it'll get about 350. And we're gonna cook these until they golden brown, fam. You already know the story. Cook them until they're ready to go. And you know, you want that cornmeal because that cornmeal is gonna provide that crispy crunch, you know, that you be looking in a fish fry. That lemon pepper is gonna give it that citrus note. And you already know that baptizing Cajun is gonna give it that spice, that kick. And then all those other ingredients, hey, they'll round out this fish fry batter for some absolutely delicious catfish, fried catfish. Yes, sir. Hey, so we sitting at about 360 degrees. We're gonna go ahead and drop these catfish nuggets in this oil and let that oil do its thing. As always, you don't want to overcrowd this pot, but we also don't want to be standing at this pot all night either. So just put enough in there where, you know, got some breathing room. And we're gonna cook these until they're golden brown, probably about 7 minutes or so. And then as they cook, you know, they'll start floating up to the top, and we'll flip them, you know, if need be. You know, one of the worst things you can do when cooking is rush and not let the chicken, fish, whatever you're cooking, cook all the way through. Hey, let that thing ride out, you know, just like you riding with the top down. You don't want nobody behind you rushing you. You want to chill, right? So let that grease chill and do its thing. Now I'm gonna be honest with you, I got a delicious tartar sauce recipe. It's absolutely delicious. I'm gonna put this in the pinned comment so you guys can check it out. It's an angry tartar sauce. Got a little bit of jalapenos in it, but I'm gonna tell you, man, it's absolutely delicious. I'm gonna let these go for a couple more minutes and then we'll pull these out. Hey, they already smelling good, but I want them looking good and tasting good too. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, so my minute is up. I'm gonna take these out this hot oil. Look at this right here, nice golden brown. Hey, they smell absolutely delicious, fam. I can't wait to taste these. Hey, we in the game, fam. And there you have it, fam. You got your absolutely delicious, when I say delicious, delicious fried catfish nuggets. Take a look at this right here. Hey, it's nice golden brown. And you already know you got to get it hot coming out that grease. And you already know what your boy got to do. I got to give me a taste test. Now, normally I would have, you know, a little bit of tartar sauce, a little bit of hot sauce, but you got to taste it, you know what I'm saying, plain, regular, see how you season, how it's done right? So, hey, enough talk. Cheers, fam. And it's still hot. Nice crispy crust. And I'm gonna be honest with you, that lemon pepper gives it a nice citrus note to it. And then that baptizing Cajun is not overly spicy, but it gives you enough kick that you want more. No, be honest with you, no hot sauce needed, no tartar sauce, but that'll take it over the top. This is absolutely delicious, man. I'm loving this. Now, if you're new to my channel, let me take the time out and say thank you so much for stopping by, clicking on this video, hanging out with your boy, Coach Ike. Now, if you want to get in the game and stay in the game, hey, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like the video, share it with your family and friends, and tell them clicking what made your focus got you in the game. Now, for my focus family that's been rolling me for a while, hey, you already know what your boy, the coach, is about to do. Hey, I'm about to smash into these catfish nuggets. We'll see you guys on the next recipe. Hey, as always, we're in the game.